What's going on, you guys? We got a amazing snowstorm last night here in Middle Tennessee, and I've got this 2011 335i here, and we're gonna see what trouble we can get into. My dad's pretty strict about where I can take it, so I'm only gonna be able to go to the cul-de-sac out here, but I don't even know if I'm gonna get out of the driveway. It's not even X-drive, it's a two-wheel drive. It's pretty much bone stock. All I've got done to it is a cold air intake, which is basically a hot air intake because it's right in the engine bay. But yeah, we're gonna see what we can do. I gotta get all the snow off first, and I'll get a cold start, and then we're gonna try and get out of here. All right, also, all I have to clean the snow off the car is a leaf blower. So the rest that I can't get off, I'll just have to use my hands. So see if it works. Oh yeah. I'm gonna give y'all a little 360 view front. So it's pretty much just got a huge, looks like a taxi right now. Oh my gosh, that is hilarious. We got the headlight and the grill, headlights and grill showing now. Ball ton of snow on the hood, and then the roof, of course. I guess I'll try and get a bunch of it off. I don't really care, but yeah, I'll see y'all when I do the cold start, I guess. All right, guys, let's get this thing started up. I've got my key right here, and what my dad did for Christmas was he added remote start to it. So it's a 2011, does not have a remote start on most of these cars, but he took it to a almost like a battery shop, I guess, and he had somebody add it on, which is really awesome. So I'm gonna get this thing started up. All right, y'all, now that she's warmed up, our first challenge is to see if she can even get out of the driveway or just like in this area here. So we're gonna see what happens. We're moving just fine, holy. All right. We're looking good right now. Let's try and get up the driveway. We were spinning, but we made it up pretty easy. I'm pretty happy with that, honestly. This is obviously not a very good car to take out in the snow, but it's definitely a fun car to take out in the snow. So let's get to the cul-de-sac where all the fun's gonna happen. Oh my God. That guy, she drives great in the snow. I don't know what my dad was talking about I'd get stuck. This thing is pristine in the snow. That was really fun. I want to do it like 12 more times, but he'd get mad, so I'm not going to, but it's really fun. Well guys, that's all I really had planned for this video. I just wanted to see if I can make it up the driveway and do donuts. So we're gonna put this thing back down. Yeah, she's running good in the snow and the cold, so pretty satisfied. Yeah, let's get this thing back down. What's up, y'all? I just want to say thanks for watching. I am about to go to our old elementary school with my friends. We're gonna go do some sledding. Just looks absolutely awesome outside. So we're gonna have a fun week of snow here in Tennessee. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.